So hello everyone, if you're trying to run any application on your computer and you keep getting this error, the program can't start because MSVCP120.dll is missing from your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video, and here you're going to select your language, and once you've done selecting your language, you're going to click download on here. You're going to select both x86 and x64 here. Click download them and download both of these softwares up. And after you're done downloading both of them, you're going to go ahead and install both of these softwares. And once you're done installing both of those softwares, then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to open up any application on your computer, you'll see that you will not get that missing runtime error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.